Hi everyone, welcome to Shell's Sugar Rush. Welcome back if you've been here before. Today we're going to be making these adorable little holiday treats, and these are chocolate covered Rice Krispy Treats, and I'm going to be decorating them for the holidays. So if you enjoy things like this, stick around and watch me do some dipping and decorating. So for our Christmas Rice Krispy Treats, you're going to need, of course, some Rice Krispy Treats, and I have made my own here. And if you need a recipe for Rice Krispy Treats, I will link that video in the description. Okay, so you'll need some cutters. I'm using some cutters. Of course, you can cut them out freehand. I've just got a snowflake, a snowman, Christmas tree, and an angel. And then you'll need just some random sprinkle mixes, and I have just some cute holiday sprinkle mixes that I have found and collected over time. This one has some adorable little Christmas light bulbs in it, and this one has just multiple variety of sprinkles in there and sanding sugars. And then I have one here with some little trees and snowflakes. I love this one just because it's not the traditional Christmas colors. You can also use sanding sugar on this as well. So anyway, we're gonna start. I've got over here my chocolate. My white chocolate is melted on the heating pad here, ready to go. And then I have some green chocolate melted for the trees as well. So we're gonna go ahead and cut some shapes out and get them ready to dip. And I'm just going to use some regular popsicle sticks today for these. And you just want to dip it right into the melted chocolate. And then we're just going to push it into the center of the bottom. And just till you feel like it's pretty secure, at least a good inch. Okay, we'll just give those a few minutes to set up, and then we'll start dipping. So our adorable holiday Rice Krispy Treats are complete, and you can see how quick and simple these adorable little treats are to make. Let me know what you think about them in the comments, and if you enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And don't forget, if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notifications bell, so you'll be notified when I upload more holiday treats in the future. Thank you for your support, and I'll see you next time.